What's going on, guys? Trey here, the Ghost Tactical, here at my home range, the Cleburne County Shooting Club here in beautiful Heber Springs, Arkansas. I'm happy to announce that this past Monday night I was elected as the pistol director for the 2018-2019 year. So I'm really excited about that, bringing some new ideas to the pistol range. Hopefully try to get some new ideas, bring some things to the pistol range that maybe haven't been here before. We're talking some Glock matches, maybe setting up some training, some classes for women and kids and anyone that's looking to get into firearms and pistol training, looking to bring in some instructors to do some training here, and maybe even set up like a USPSA or IDPA, a couple stages out here at the range, and kind of show people what, you know, maybe competition shooting is like, or nothing else, to train in real life situations. So I wanted to kind of give you guys, since you watch a lot of my videos at my range, I kind of want to give you an overview of the Cleburne County Shooting Club. So I hope you guys enjoy it.
Well, guys, I just wanted to kind of give you guys a quick backdrop of where we're at, Heber Springs, Arkansas. It's a beautiful little community here in the foothills of the Ozark Mountains in north central Arkansas, and it's a beautiful landscape for this range. As you can see from this drone footage, this is the layout of the shooting club. As you drive in, you'll notice we have 4 dedicated areas for skeet and trap. You can shoot clays. Now, obviously, in certain situations, this might be utilized for something else, but most of the time it is for skeet and trap. We have 4 areas. As you pan over, you'll see the pistol range, and past that, you will see the rifle range. It will extend out to close to 300 yards. Well, guys, as you can see, the skeet and trap areas are beautiful. It's well maintained. The entire club is well maintained. But the skeet and trap get used quite frequently. They have a group that shoots 2 or 3 days a week, so you can always check that out. The pistol range has enough places to get about 8 to 10 people on it, but we also have some additional room that we can use if we need to. And then the rifle range out there, like I said, it's got about 8 to 10 spots to go ahead and zero at 50 and 100. And then it has steel out there close to 300 yards. So there's a great time to be had out here by you and your family and friends. If you're interested in finding out more information, you can always check us out online at www.ccscar.com or check us out on Facebook at Cleburne County Shooting Club. Someone's always posting some cool pictures and announcements out there for people, so go ahead and give us a follow and a like over there on Facebook.
Well, guys, I really hope you enjoyed the drive-through and the overhead aerial shots of the range. It's a beautiful range in a beautiful part of the country. We're here in north central Arkansas. If you live around central or north central Arkansas and you're looking for a place to shoot, or you're looking for a different place to shoot every now and then, we welcome you at the Cleburne County Shooting Club. Memberships for the year are very minimal. We're really hoping to get some more people out here, especially the pistol range. I want to try to get some rejuvenation of the pistol excitement going around here. So I really hope you guys come down and shoot us. If you're ever in the area and you want to shoot, give me a call. I'd love to shoot, or email me. My email's down below, but contact me any way you want, guys. I'd love to come shoot with you. So come check us out here at the Cleburne County Shooting Club. And we've got trap and skeet and clays and a rifle range, pistol range. We've got all sorts of good stuff. We've got a clubhouse, all the amenities that you could possibly want to have a fun-filled day with you and your family and friends. We're here at the Cleburne County Shooting Club. So come check us out, guys. I appreciate you guys taking a look at the range. Hope to see you shooting. Semper Fi.
Oh, hey guys, sorry. Doing a little work on the AR. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Maybe hit the notification bell and hit that like button. If you really liked the video, then we ask you to go check out some videos over here and check out our website, www.ghosttactical.us. Semper Fi.